What I want to do right now is show you guys some of the best AI tools you can use now to actually make more money or be more productive. Number one, ChatGPT. That's the one everyone's talking about. That's the one that kind of broke the internet. This one is a big deal. Basically, you tell this thing to do whatever you want, right? Be a blog post about, boom. So I write a blog post about how to build muscle. It's going to basically talk about it, blah, blah, blah. It's going to write the whole thing for me. Let's see how long it takes. Now you can use this to actually create content for you. You can use it to write sales pages. You can use it to write articles, or you can just use it like Google. You can just say, how can I build more muscle?
A cool feature that it has, it can help you put the visual elements together. So for example, you can ask him, I want a paint that gives this type of feeling. It's like, okay, paint this and then put this on the corner and write this. It can literally walk you through.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Check this out. The one we have, it wrote something for me. Let's say I don't like this one. Boom. It'll generate another response for me. And you can just keep going through it until you find the one you like. And then you can actually expand on these too. This is pretty good. Focus on compound exercise. Don't look good. Caloric surplus. This is good basic information. Now I say, make it sound epic. Building muscle is a heroic journey, a test of will and determination. Yo, I love doing that. I always put in, make it sound epic, even if it's just for me. Make no mistake, building muscle is no easy feat. It requires sacrifice. That's one way to use ChatGPT. Whatever you have it right after, at the end of, make it sound epic. I love doing that. Another tool you can use, very similar functionality, is Jasper. We talked about this already. Jasper focuses on copywriting. So it can do documents. It can summarize content for you. It can write sales pages. It can write product descriptions for Amazon. It's focused on copywriting is what this is for. I really like it for that. Another tool that does something similar is Writer. So Writer will do some shit like that. Similar things as well. It'll come up with interview questions for you. It'll come up with ads for you. If you had a Google search ad, if you wanted to do Facebook ads, emails, it'll write covers letters for you, blog ideas, outlines. Very similar to Jasper. It's a little cheaper. If you have a YouTube video and you want to have a description for it, it'll write it for you. Channel descriptions, testimonials and reviews. It'll write a song letter. It'll write your text messages. So that's Writer. But then we have Quillbot. Quillbot is good at making summaries for you. It'll paraphrase stuff for you, which is pretty cool. Another one, Photar is an online photo editor. So it'll edit photos for you. It'll make the shit like cooler. It'll change things for you. You can edit out stuff. You can edit out backgrounds. It's basically a photo editor. So if you're a photo editor, you might want to start using this because pretty soon you're going to be replaced. People won't need you anymore. So you better get as much money as you can now. Here's another cool one. Photo clipping. So this will take the background out of any picture, any image for you. It's mad simple, and you can actually do it in bulk. So you can upload like tons of them at once. Another one, we already use Pictory. Pictory will take content and make a video for you. It uses like stock videos and stock images, and it will actually make a video for you. We made a video in a few minutes and it was decent. Here's one that I use. So this is called Otter AI. I had this linked to my Zoom, and it basically does a transcription of all my Zoom meetings. This way I don't have to really take notes, and it'll give me like summary. So every Zoom meeting I'm on here, I get the highlights, and then I can summarize it too. If I wanted to, I can take what was said in the Zoom meeting, put it in one of those writing tools and summarize it. So this one, we talked about it earlier. It uses AI and it makes AI people for you. So you can actually have a spokesperson, and you can pick what kind of person you want, man, woman, old, young, their voices, and they'll say whatever you want. Check this out.
Hey there, welcome to Cybersecurity Training 101. In this module, you will learn about one of the most common methods.
That's AI. That's not an actor. This is computer generated. They made the whole video. They put in the script and they made the whole video and edited it right in there. So that's really cool. If you can make a whole course and not even have to be the face of it, you can just have this guy be the face. It's called Synthesia.io. This is where it gets scary. This is called Deep Swap AI. So basically you can create deep fakes. The fact that it is giving it to people for 50% off. Anybody can make deep fakes. I can make Trump say some shit right now. I don't know, man. This shit is kind of scary. Wait till chicks start changing their face, like deep fakes with the videos. You're gonna match with AI. Then there's Natural Reader. So you can type your text in there. So let's say you took something from ChatGPT, boom, and you put it in Natural Reader.
As a result of certain delays, we have had to make changes to our project timeline.
When I hiked to the top of the highest mountain peak, I had never felt more in tune with nature. With the wind whistling through my hair and the beautiful
You know what I'm saying? We got this one right here, Voice Maker. It does something similar. Brandon Carter is a baller. Boom. Let's have this chick say it. Joanna.
Brandon Carter is a baller.
A lot of people will echo those sentiments. So that's Voice Maker. Let's try it with what we wrote. Now, this is what we made with ChatGPT. Let's have this guy. Joey say it. Hey, Joey.
Building muscle is a heroic journey, a test of will and determination that requires discipline, commitment, and dedication.
Those are some of the best AI tools that are available for the public right now. ChatGPT is awesome. Jasper's pretty cool too. All these tools are cool, and you can find different use cases for them. A lot of jobs and industries are going to get replaced. So it's important that you learn how to actually use this AI, because I believe in the future that majority of jobs, especially knowledge work, will be utilizing AI. If you don't learn to use it, if you don't get on board, you're gonna get left behind. Luckily, for now, we're still gonna need people to flip the burgers, but the robots are coming for those jobs too, so beware.